Oh, me say Ghana ye be show because a revenge ni ye ni abrepa Uruguay there. Say ye show mo ball as ko be show mo because players as say ye nya no. Me Ghana ni nti me wo gidie e wo mo fra no say o betimi ayi bibi. Ye ntimi anche tim bia na nya Uruguay.
Abrabo na ye bono. Ade ni ye you a no aka cho say ye you. Ghana anywhere. Anywhere. Eh 3-0 bra. Against Ghana. Masa first half o me che 2-0. Second half you buy be prayer one penno o me that so my din me say science here mom la me hwehwe me abeni masa mom la baji me phone na masa na monton kura Ghana why na ko se go na maye bra why that be why na ko se go na maye amamu we mu go ebi ni ho masa hwe mani bra bre no bye bye.
You see, football is full of uncertainties. One thing I know for sure, as in whenever Ukobo match in the say you always going for a revenge. One you're very careful. Every boy and Eddie. As we all know, as the country called Uruguay, almost former champion. They have won this cup twice. 1930 when we started the World Cup, 1930 they won it, and Brazil 1950 they won it. It tells us that. When we are talking about a World Cup, I'm more experienced more than us. When I will share the kind of players the caliber of players and the major leagues it seems to me that Ghana. But the fact of the matter is that we should concentrate. As I see, concentrate on our system of play. And only other back with me, boy. And then we are calling for say at the back of our man, I just so totally call for it to tie revenge. Very repeated dose. Why not because for instance they have a record very juicy as compared to us because as at now we have played 12 matches as Ghanaians we have played 12 matches in the 12 matches now we have won only just 4 that draw 3 and 5 5 lose against Ghana. It's so clear that you need a very juicy records as far as World Cup is concerned because 12 matches now I landing into a quarter finals. And the other I'm saying is I see a concentration should be on our system of play. And yes, a total revenge. Say revenge anybody it will be okay. No more acquire revenge. I know one you careful. Obey record. AJ near be a ensign fata. Now I weaken your team. And the Empire Bonnie say your team number were concentrated. No more concentrator. I strongly believe that Ghana will achieve a very nice scoreline.
Finally, Ghana what have
you popular in our group. You see, young list rank nation a World Cup media say. And it tells us if I chances in your order black. But in every tournament, other I know for sure. I say we have surprises. For instance, 2006, not Ghana for ranking, so high sir. But we surprised them. When we say Ghana, you bet me are surprised. And the other we are saying is we should pray. Say at the end of the day. Technical team no bet me I'm who players no be in position. You understand? I hope say Ghana will strike our SI tournament. But you see, and our group there to be frank with you. See, I'm careful. You bet me from in our group. No more me share near my year. Now players no be in a preferred position. You know now with a kind of a preferred system. I strongly believe say bet me akwenum. And only empire. One at the tier. Yeah, near year, bet me I qualify from our group. No mom say, any money. Mark my word, you're very from in our group. Some say like a Portuguese for records more than us because they have reached a semi-finals before 1966 when you save you a juvenile Gustavo Num one at the tier. Colucanum, no more a lady national team. Ebrana Otogloria was their manager then. Apart from that. We share South Korea. Yes, another group I face another opponent face South Korea. But because we share one. The last time they almost to a World Cup 2002. Young baby almost reached semi-final. Ebra no more Min Jumbo. One at Jisoo Park. One at the tier. Our Anju one. Those guys need and definitely your group we should be very careful. You are very careful. You are very from in our group. But as you say, me, I'm worried. I see a team, the weakest point in our team, goalkeeping department. No more goalkeeper now or Cefates or that team, Omo Manakunya. so mo man dan la da kwenya ma ne dark trem mo the confidence the technical team nya confident e wa branch ni mu a I can really tell you say the guy will excel where this tournament by omu need that world sa wo no eba be shem dia I can tell you say Ghana ye be ko afa ma say sa mamu dia ene mark my word Ghana be sintem
me ne de bia me ka kire Ghana for ne say on say as someone being a sports personality no ya na me hu ne say so person call for revenge it means okwa use wo resources ni na at a particular time there's a unya resources na say unya edema the other matches na eso bono so I think that the Blasters of Ghana eso mko na fe omutumi ede no metumi aye no na eso mo de ko not necessarily say ye kwa kwahye Uruguay what if say ye mini say ye kwa kwahye Uruguay na fe against Portugal against South Korea eno kwajigu a na eno ye ne den I think that eno emwa so the Blasters of Ghana should go all in say omo ko for 9 maximum points 9 points no say koduru be na say ekoba ne say 1 or 2 be ekwajigu a na fe hu ne say ajagu but say ye be call for Uruguay nkwan say onu nkwan team a ye no ekwa akobon de I don't think say the possible solution even the Blasters because group no ye wo teams makom yensa ene ka Blasters no the Uruguayans the South Koreans na fe uremu a Portuguese no so ewum ye omu na e Bible bi and I think say call all out na fe ekobo game ni ye but one thing is that me try say Ghana for no emfa support na rally behind Otuado say na bia betumi akoyige ye ne den kra na these are the resources are Odiomo Echo, Yentimi Sano, squad no Odium going to me Sana at this very moment. And to bet me I can send ye Ghana Mampen and not Danko Kufado Kaye, near Mampen that I Jake for Kaye, near your Mampen that I don't know called last one and Sana. Ye Babe called and not Danko Kufado de John Dramani Mahama Kaino, and send ye dear Jumanafi, ye dear support no rally behind the Stars team no. Ye Danyan, ye Weni into your court. Na say ye hwene ye honhom ba bia ne be kwakoduru no na afie de aduru I think say Ghana phone be na be disappointed say koba say
bosu nim ensre o enkanka de unim de un enkanka adebengo okay hwana kwakose go na mai hwana
and I make say one thing I know for sure is that the Blasters of Ghana we looking at way back. Yes, sir. We don't have a permanent goal scorer.
Good.
Blasters acquire all in all. Obia to me providing a ability and until the time I say showcase your talent no. We are not going in fire any two player ba say Inak Williams na kwa kwashegu. And I say bia ni first best na kwa kwashegu and I say ni first. Ya wotre Vekasa.
Okay.
And I say ni first Messi. And kwa kwashegu and I say ni first Messi kwa kwashegu. What we know for sure is that we are going as a team. And when you are going as a team, now we can see from the Bundesliga, even in Bundesliga for instance, so Ghana, you find Paibo in enter. I think so Becca say Ghana can Paibo Kwadi Anka Sad, and Asempo Anka can Paibo Kwadi Anka Israel for no, but we don't look at that because we are a nation. Sometimes they say Denya some microphones who play part a year, and Asempo some Paibo who play part a daily lives. And the with them Paibo, any the necessary resources I will and a face smartness. Yeah, the back on. I think that the Blasters of Ghana ever come in a World Cup. The Gupanafi, a crocodile calculator, near the Barbeton, Yamo way, Yenny way. The Blasters of Ghana, we are all hoping so be quite, but due to resources I couldn't tell me and quite it doesn't matter. 32 teams near 32 teams will be out to me any money a year, and the 32 teams now econo. We are already say you between compete for one particular trophy, and that particular trophy, no, I think say Nigeria has South Africa. The reason being that it was your ability to compete. Your ability to compete, and say yeah, bono. You see for Champions League, for instance, so we teams to be on more. Or my holding was 3 pa. Obeka say Barcelona, nana holding was through. But teams to be in Benfica. Napoli and then team my friend say and I say Inter any team my friend say Bayern no we na ebo modern bomra bas ento me akore nim and so you could see clearly say and just an enhye san go to me akore nim but enhye ne ento to ye no no anye ni ye no and man ento me akore nim so it doesn't mean say you see Nigeria who knows Nigeria ne history World Cup kra ne saying ne history World Cup ne saying and then na fi akaka